Welcome to Right Style Cooking TV. Today I'm gonna do oats porridge, and the ingredients are as follows. 4 cups oats, 3 cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon grated nutmeg, 1 in the pot I got boiling 1 tablespoon vanilla and 3 cinnamon sticks. I've had them boiling for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna put in the oats now. That's the 4 cups oats. So when I put the oats in, you stir. So I'm gonna put a pinch of salt. This container say 1 minute oats, but I normally don't trust containers. I'll boil this oats until I'm satisfied with the texture. You can do likewise. You can put the amount of sweetener, the amount of spice, whatever that make you comfortable. Okay, I had the oats boiling for 5 minutes and it's ready. So now I'll pour in the evaporated milk, 12 ounces. Continue mixing. Okay. I'm gonna add some sweetener. There should be some granulated sugar. You can sweeten to taste. I've put 4 tablespoons granulated sugar. I mix that in and I give a taste test. put 2 more tablespoons. Give it another taste test. When I'm finished sweetening it to my liking, and I remove it from the fire. Okay, I've finished sweetening the porridge, and I'm gonna do the final spicing, which is nutmeg. I'll be grating 1 teaspoon nutmeg. So I'll mix that in. How lovely it looks. It is one delicious, well spiced, well flavored oats porridge. See you when I'm putting it in the bowl. Again, this is a lovely oats porridge in the pot. How wonderful it looks and how delicious it will taste. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.